Hello and welcome to this session. In today's lesson, we will focus on Unit 6, Organizational Data Architecture. By the end of this session, you will understand how a local car hire company can optimize its data architecture. We will explore key tasks for data analysts, including managing reports, lifecycle emails, and interpreting ER diagrams. The unit is graded on pass, merit, and distinction levels. The scenario involves a local car hire company's data analysis team. The assignment consists of 3 tasks: a data architecture report, a lifecycle email, and an ER diagram interpretation. Achieving all pass criteria is essential before aiming for merit or distinction. This structure ensures a comprehensive understanding of organizational data architecture. This is the main callout for this scene. In this scenario, you work in a data analysis team for a car hire company. Directors need to understand the importance of data and system architecture. Manager Hazel Ellis requests formal documentation outputs. This scenario sets the stage for understanding data's role in business. It highlights the necessity for structured data architecture. Task 1 involves creating a data architecture report. Explain the importance of data as a business resource. Describe operational versus analytical systems. Discuss the significance of database locations, including distributed databases. For merit, compare ETL development effort and benefits. Operational systems support daily business operations. Analytical systems assist in data analysis and decision-making. Understanding their differences is crucial for data architecture. Evaluate design choices to optimize both systems. This evaluation is key for distinction-level understanding. Task 2 requires describing each lifecycle stage. Outline activities, inputs, outputs, and stakeholders involved. Compare the chosen lifecycle model with others for merit. Understanding these stages aids in effective data management. This task enhances the lifecycle's strategic implementation. Compare different lifecycle models to understand their structures. Each model offers unique benefits and challenges. Analyze these differences for a merit-level understanding. Such comparisons guide better lifecycle model selection. This insight is crucial for effective data analysis. Task 3 focuses on interpreting an ER diagram. Explain the difference between type and instance. Identify entities, attributes, relationships, and cardinalities. For distinction, evaluate relationship direction and navigability. This task enhances understanding of data relationships. ER diagrams visually represent data structures. They include entities like car, driver, and customer. Car booking acts as the central transaction entity. Understand primary and foreign key relationships for navigation. This understanding is crucial for effective data management. Achieving merit requires comparing ETL efforts and benefits. For distinction, evaluate lifecycle structural differences. Discuss navigability and key constraints in ER diagrams. These evaluations must go beyond basic descriptions. Such depth is essential for higher grading. Task 1 requires a formal business report. Task 2 involves a professional email to Hazel. Task 3 demands an analytical ER diagram report. Clear justification and evaluation are needed for higher grades. These submissions demonstrate understanding and application. Data is a vital business resource. It drives decision-making and strategic planning. Understanding its importance is crucial for organizational success. This task emphasizes data's role in business operations. Such insights are valuable for data analysts. Database locations impact data accessibility and efficiency. Distributed databases enhance data availability. Understanding these aspects is vital for data architecture. This task highlights the significance of database management. Such knowledge aids in optimizing data systems. ETL processes transform data for analysis. Comparing their effort and benefits is crucial for merit. This comparison guides resource allocation in data projects. Understanding ETL's role enhances data processing efficiency. Such insights are valuable for data management. Navigability in ER diagrams is crucial for data access. Evaluate relationship direction for better understanding. This evaluation aids in optimizing data navigation. Understanding key constraints enhances diagram interpretation. Such insights are essential for data analysts. In conclusion, understanding this information is essential for enhancing data management practices within car hire companies, enabling more efficient operations and informed decision-making. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp us at 074-843-61688. Our team will be delighted to assist you. Thank you for your attention, and see you at the next session.